Welcome to this tutorial on how to perform inspection reports on DealerTeam. Inspection reports are structured checklists used to document vehicle evaluations, including diagnostics, repair confirmations, and pre-delivery inspections. To begin, navigate to Inspection Reports either through the app launcher or the DealerTeam Service app and click New. First, choose an inspection report template. Each template provides different card layouts and scoring options. Check the store location, select a vehicle owner, and select an inventoried or service vehicle. Click Next. This is your inspection report page. The highlights bar shows a quick overview including the information we just entered. Click Edit to add a service advisor and technician. You can also tie this record to a repair order, a sales up, or an appraisal, depending on the report. Under Inspection Items, we have each of the cards. Complete each card by selecting from the drop-down or multi-select fields. You can use the Navigation tab to filter the cards by category. The technician fields will be populated with the current user. You can add a standard operation code for tracking service-related findings. Depending on your selection, each card will produce a score. As you complete each card, the green bar in the Navigation tab will show your progress. Once you're done, you can mark the status as complete. And that's it. You're now ready to perform and manage inspection reports.